It's a 2015 Acura TLX. Premium materials such as soft touch panels, wood grain and alloy accents, and heated seating accompany a premium experience as you embrace the road while enveloped in luxury. Precision all-wheel steer and agile handling assist system adds stability to quick cornering and lane changes. Jewel-eye LED headlights and a multi-view rear-view camera make sure you're aware as you engage your surroundings.
Wrap yourself in the comfort of heated seats.
Your favorite music has never sounded better, thanks to the Acura ELS sound system.
The blind spot indicator helps you maneuver through traffic.
Let the rhythm of the road take you when you test drive this TLX today.
Herb Connolly Acura, meeting and exceeding expectations one customer at a time. Stop in today. We're conveniently located at 500 Worcester Road, Route 9 in Framingham, Massachusetts.